Are Panasonic OLED TVs good? Panasonic OLED TVs are highly regarded for their exceptional picture quality, cinematic accuracy, and premium build. They are particularly favored by movie enthusiasts and professionals due to their industry-leading color accuracy and Hollywood-grade processing. While they may not be as widely available as brands like LG or Sony, Panasonic's OLED TVs offer stunning visuals, high dynamic range performance, and strong reliability. However, their smart TV platform and gaming features may not be as refined as competitors. 1. Exceptional picture quality with professional grade accuracy. Panasonic OLED TVs are known for their outstanding picture quality, thanks to their use of high-quality OLED panels combined with Panasonic's advanced image processing. Their color calibration is often considered the best in the industry, making them a top choice for movie lovers and professional content creators who demand precise color accuracy. 2. Strong HDR performance with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Panasonic OLED models support multiple HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG. This ensures superior contrast, deep blacks, and rich colors, making HDR content look stunning. Their high peak brightness also enhances the overall viewing experience, delivering excellent performance in both bright and dark environments. Third, premium build quality and reliability. Panasonic OLED TVs are designed with durability and longevity in mind. Their build quality is often superior to many competitors, with a focus on premium materials and a solid design. Additionally, Panasonic's commitment to quality control ensures long-lasting performance with minimal risk of issues like screen burn-in. Fourth, limited smart TV experience compared to competitors. While Panasonic's My Home Screen OS is functional and user-friendly, it is not as advanced as LG's WebOS or Samsung's Tizen. The app selection is more limited and updates are less frequent. However, the interface is simple and responsive, making it suitable for basic streaming needs. Users looking for a more feature-rich smart TV experience may need an external streaming device. Panasonic OLED TVs are an excellent choice for those who prioritize picture quality, cinematic accuracy, and reliability. They are particularly well-suited for movie enthusiasts who want a true-to-life visual experience. While their smart TV platform and gaming features may not be as advanced as other brands, their top-tier OLED panels and Hollywood-grade color accuracy make them a strong contender in the high-end TV market.